Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with PancakeSwap, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with PancakeSwap, first, ensure you have a compatible cryptocurrency wallet. Popular options include MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Once you have your wallet set up, fund it with Binance Smart Chain BNB. Next, connect your wallet to PancakeSwap by navigating to the website. Click on the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner of the home page. Select your preferred wallet and follow the prompts to link it. Now you're ready to explore the various features available on PancakeSwap. To create a budget, start by determining what percentage of your total capital you want to allocate for trading. Consider setting aside a portion for liquidity pools and yield farming if you're interested in generating passive income. Use the exchange feature to buy tokens you want to include in your budget. Enter the amount you wish to trade and review the transaction fees before confirming. After purchasing tokens, keep track of their performance regularly. Consider using tools like a spreadsheet or budgeting app to log your expenses and profits. If you decide to provide liquidity, navigate to the liquidity section. Select the tokens you want to pair and specify the amount for liquidity provision. Review the details and confirm your transaction. Keep in mind the risk associated with impermanent loss in liquidity pools. Regularly reevaluate your budget based on market conditions and your financial goals. By consistently monitoring your trades and investments, you can make informed decisions moving forward. Staying disciplined and adhering to your budget will help you manage your investments effectively on PancakeSwap. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.